How to make money online for beginners, that's what we are talking about in this video. Now if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you'll be notified about new videos. Let's dive into the tutorial. Today, I will tell you about a few simple ways to start making money online right away, even if you are a beginner. This way you can start your own small online business. Tip number 1 is to do freelance writing. There are several ways you can make money on the internet, and one of the best ways is through freelance writing. Becoming one of freelance writers is a good option because there is always a demand for content, and it allows you to work from virtually anywhere you want. By being a freelance writer, you can write articles, social media content, or you could be a copywriter for a business. You can also be a freelance writer for a blog. You can earn anywhere between $5 to $500 per article, or even $1,000 if you write for the top blogs. You don't need to have your own website or anything to get started, you just need to Google websites that will pay you to write content for them. Tip number 2, selling your old things. Another way many people make extra money online is by selling some of their second-hand stuff online. You have options. You can sell via different Facebook groups, they have special marketplace listings, or you can use websites like Craigslist. One of the best-selling items is used books. You can go through your old study materials and try to sell textbooks on Amazon or bookstores. What may look like an old ceramic bowl to you could be a priceless vintage item for someone else. Everyday people are making good money online selling their old things on websites such as eBay. Tip number 3, online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use the internet to produce a coaching business. How much you will be making depends on the niche you work in. If we look at recent statistics, executive mentors can charge around $325 for an hour on average, while business trainers can make around $235 for an hour for each client. On the other hand, people that are considered life coaches can charge roughly around $160 per hour. If you have real expertise on a specific topic, you can charge more money. The internet provides a good way to package up a coaching program that you could sell to your clients using a simple website. The coaching program content could be in the form of an online coaching program, an online course, or a paid membership site. These types of online business models are commonly used by people to sell online coaching services worldwide. Tip number 4 is to write a book. This may not be for everyone because writing skills is not something we all possess. If you have a good command of the English language and can elaborate your thoughts, you are already in the top 20% of the world's writers. You can write a simple book and publish it onto sites such as Amazon Kindle and earn an income from doing this. There are many niche topics that you could write a book about, so there are plenty of options when it comes to writing a book. Tip number 5, take online surveys. Taking surveys is more for those people who are bored and have a fair amount of spare time on their hands. Taking surveys can pay well, especially if you are in an English-speaking country. You can make up to $250 of easy extra income, just by giving some feedback, which isn't that bad. To help you find a survey, do a Google search for earning money by taking surveys, or something similar, and you will find several online surveys you can take where you can earn some extra money. Now I want to hear from you. Which strategy from this video are you going to try first? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Now if you need help growing your business, or starting your digital business, I recommend you check out the Internet Business School. Make sure you click the link in the description box below right now, it takes you through to their website. They have online training courses that teach you everything you need to do to start your own business. From beginner to an online expert, whatever your level, there is an online training course that will suit you, so make sure you take a look at them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give the video a like, because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thanks for watching.